To bond rubber and most plastics, it's great to have a good instant adhesive around. The best one ever is Vibra-Tite 304. It's a single part instant adhesive, bonds plastics and rubbers almost instantly, and when it's fully cured, maybe in 4 to 5 minutes, you can actually make an O-ring that you cannot pull apart. Now, the correct way to use an instant adhesive is you want to use the least amount possible. So for instance, on this O-ring stock, you want one tiny little drop, and that's sufficient enough material to bond an O-ring together. So I'll just stick this together. You want to put it together. You want probably a little bit of pressure, and you want to hold it for maybe 4 or 5 seconds, and then you have a good strong bond. Here's one I had done earlier that you will literally break the O-ring before you break the bond. Again, that's Vibra-Tite 304. Thank you.